The luxury Midwest Sprinter van has a lot of different safety features. One of those safety features is the blind spot assist. As you're traveling down the road, you might notice there's a yellow triangle in your side rear view mirrors. That's your blind spot assist. When someone appears in that blind spot, you'll see that yellow triangle turn to a red triangle, meaning it's not safe to get over. The system that it uses is a sensor system. This sensor system will pick up on that vehicle that's in your blind spot. Now, if you'd like to deactivate that blind spot assist, you can press the button here on the dashboard. When you press that, it'll read blind spot assist deactivated right on your dash here. Another unique safety feature that the Midwest luxury Sprinter van offers you is the collision assist. It uses a radar that monitors your Midwest weekender as well as all the moving vehicles around it to see if a collision is likely. If a collision is likely, it will help you apply the ideal braking to prevent that from happening. If you'd like to deactivate the collision assist, you can do so by pressing the button that's inside your dash. When that deactivates, you'll see it show up on your dashboard screen here, your display screen, and it will say collision assist deactivated. Another very cool safety feature is the lane keep assist. This technology alerts the driver when the system detects that you're about to deviate from a traffic lane. So it will actually show up on your dashboard when you deviate from the lane. Now, if this becomes an annoyance, you can always turn the lane keep assist off. You then go to your center console and you hit the off button. And then it would appear on your dashboard that you have now deactivated the lane keep assist.